the things we have been talking with the girls is that self-care is an act of self-respect and an act of feeling confident about yourself. So instead of what maybe we've been taught in our culture, that saying that you need to care for yourself or advocate yourself is a sign of weakness, it's actually a sign of respect to our bodies and our minds, that we care enough about ourselves to ask for help when we need it and to really take care of ourselves. The way we used to do things at schools was having children to think cognitively first, from the top of the brain down to the body, instead of really now teaching girls to focus on their body and what's going on in their body so that they can do those higher order thinking skills. We know that that's really effective. Mindfulness is really important because it is now a well-researched phenomenon that girls who can learn how to get themselves calm and regulate themselves in their body can then problem solve. They can attune to their academics across the school day. They can interact with more complex and more difficult subject matter. Girls here really work hard at school, and so knowing where some of the dysregulation sits in their body and helping them to learn their own tools just helps them to be more effective students. They will know how to maintain their health and wellness. They will have a plan, and they will also have a plan for when they hit a bump. They will be able to recognize it as a bump and say, well, in the past, when I've gotten into a bump in my own personal road, this is what I did, and I'm going to try some of those same things in college and beyond. So I think we're just setting up girls with skills for the future. We know that when girls are healthy in their bodies, they're healthy in their minds, and if they're healthy in their minds, they can be more curious learners. They can handle a more stringent academic load if that's something that they want, and they also can work collaboratively with their peers and feel really good about supporting their peers. If you feel good about yourself, if you feel like you're respecting yourself, then you can offer that same respect to others in the way that you interact with them, in the way that you discuss with them. And I really see that with the girls here at Ellis.